So some of the tasks you may have, it may not be planned. And for such tasks, what you can do is add it in as an inbox task. So to do that, you can click on the plus button and then you can go around onto inbox. And then what you can simply do is add in the title for that particular task. Let's say, for example, you can go around over here. You can even choose an emoji according to how you want right here, just like this for that particular task, and then work around with it. So I'm just going to go around over here and let's say, for example, add it as, let's say, for example, check emails right here. So this is going to be a task. So you don't see it right around over here, but if I were to go around onto inbox, you can see that I get check emails right here. So if you want to add in other tasks, like you want to add in a to-do list as well, so let's just go around over here and you can simply go ahead and see, let's say, for example, I can say something like make notes of the tasks for the day. So I don't need a particular time. Let's say, for example, I simply have that particular task, then I can add it right here, just like that. And that is how you can create a new inbox task and track it down. So if you want to have access to it and you don't have a specific time assigned, then you can simply keep it right here, just like this. And that is how you can create a new inbox task inside of Structured. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.